Hello, I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health. Today, we are going to talk about a silent health problem that affects many people over the age of 65. It is called sarcopenia, which means the gradual loss of muscle mass. This condition often develops slowly, but its effects are easy to notice. Walking starts to feel slower, climbing stairs becomes more challenging, and an overall sense of weakness sets in. The good news is that there is a simple daily step that can help protect your muscles. You can add one small but powerful ingredient to your morning coffee that supports strength, balance, and vitality. To understand why this works, let us look at the real reason behind muscle loss in seniors. It is not just about eating enough protein. The main issue is something called anabolic resistance. After the age of 60, the body becomes less efficient at using dietary protein to build and repair muscle. The signal inside the muscle cells that tells them to grow becomes weaker, so even if you eat enough protein, the response is reduced. Researchers have discovered that the amino acid leucine can help overcome this resistance. Most foods do not provide enough leucine at once to make a big difference. For example, a piece of chicken or fish contains less than 2 grams, but older adults need about 3 grams at a single time to properly activate muscle growth. This is why pure leucine powder is so effective. The best method is simple. Within an hour of waking, prepare a cup of black coffee. Measure out 3 grams of leucine powder, stir it into the coffee, and drink. This combination is powerful because caffeine creates a favorable environment for muscle building, while leucine provides the direct signal your muscles need. To get the most benefit, avoid mixing it with a high-carbohydrate breakfast, because that can reduce its effect. Waiting an hour before eating is best. Seniors who follow this routine often report higher energy, better balance, and more confidence in daily activities. Stronger muscles also help regulate blood sugar, protect joints, and even improve brain function by supporting healthy blood flow. Most importantly, research shows that maintaining muscle mass in later years lowers the risk of disease and helps people live longer, healthier lives. I encourage you to try this routine for 7 days. Add leucine to your morning coffee, move your body with light activity, and notice the difference. This simple step can help protect your muscles, increase your energy, and support a vibrant life as you age. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more.